Today we are going to be doing part 5 of Mr. EMC2 Slime is Kid Friendly Borax and Starch-Free recipes. So yeah, if you haven't seen all my other parts, all of them, go check all of them out. Part 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sorry if I have some orange slime on my hands. I did these 5 videos in this one less than an hour. So, okay. Why do I do it from that? Why don't I just pour it in this time? And I'm gonna try to make a teal. I want this to be a bigger batch. And I am doing glitter, and I think I'm gonna add the glitter right now. And then all my paint, I'm gonna try to do a teal, so blue and green, and I'm going to use another mixing stick because that's one of those gross. So why did I just mix up the oil? Okay. Our choices are, I'll just get them all out, and I think we're going to add all of them because they're pretty. They're pretty. Like someone. We have purple, pink and blue, pink and blue. I was like pink and blue, pink and blue, pink and blue. And we actually have some more in here. And some of these are really cute that are in here. And then we have a glitter pack of stars. Then we kind of have this fruit stuff. I really like this fruit stuff. It's really cute, but I think I'm going to add the fruit stuff now and all the glitter now. Not sure if I should add a single glitter. So, that's all of that. I'm rushing fast. Okay. That's nice. And now we're going to put it back in the box. I'm rushing very fast. I wonder why. And then almost everything else we need, except like these. Okay. Now let's add some glitter. Whoa, this is actually really heavy. It's really cool so far, and I will show you guys eventually. I believe I'm sick, so sorry if I end up coughing a lot. Is this closed? Yeah, I closed it. That took me a while. Okay. Let's mix all of this out. This slime, I feel like it's going to be a bit weird. Not going to add too much. Well, have you ever seen those videos where they're like not going to add too much? Then they add like a bunch. And that was a very weird coughing noise. I'm just going to open this. Actually, I can't open it. Sorry if there's background noises. We do have someone here. Don't think we're going to get much of this stuff, so let's just do this fast. This is a much smaller, like, pentagon, hexagon, one of those version, and this looks like it's going to be pretty crunchy. Just looks crunchy. Go make sure to check out part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, and this is part 6. Well, part 5. No. Yeah, this is part 6, this is part 6. Okay, then we're going to activate it, and and this kit comes with a couple of different kinds of, like, activators. There's this dish soap, which I am going to use. I actually have some right here. Not much, but a little. I was going to use the baking soda and contact solution stuff, but then I decided not to. Oh, part 5 was really short. Sorry about that. Wait, this might be part 5. This might be part 5, not part 6. Hmm. Yeah, I think this is part 5. Sorry about that. But it might be part 6. I don't know. I'll check the label. When I label it, I'll see. And I'll check out all my other videos. Let's just get my face in family fast, because I was gonna do a teal, but I think this is just gonna look cool. Let's put that over there. Look at my purple slime. It's extremely dried out. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I rushed so fast. It's already 6 minutes and I haven't made the slime. Actually, I guess I have made the slime. But what if I haven't? Dun, dun, dun. I wish I could put my camera on, which I actually can, but I don't think I'm gonna. Oh, this might be overactivated or underactivated. Or I might need more, but I know I won't need more at this point. Okay, this is very nice. And I think this might be my last time for the night. Sadly. So I'm just gonna mix this, see how it goes, and knead it. I'm not gonna mix it, it's already all mixed. Wait, is it needing mixing? Wait, I don't know. So actually this is done, and this is really nice. And I believe this is part 5, so make sure to go check out part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and this is part 5. Or it's part different. Okay. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and bye. Make sure to subscribe.